let's discuss RCS Flare Kit installation. The Flare Kit includes a vapor line and a liquid line factory flare stub, each with an RCS coupling body, 2 tube inserts, and 2 press collars. The flare nuts are not included. You will need to use the flare nuts provided by the manufacturer of the equipment being connected. Next, inspect all flare mating surfaces. They should be smooth, clean, and free of debris. Install the equipment manufacturer's flare nut over the matching size copper stub and center it before hand tightening the flare nut onto the equipment side. Consult the equipment manufacturer's instructions and install the flares per their recommendations. Note the required torque for each tube size. With a backup wrench on the equipment side of the flare connection, tighten the flare nut with an open-end torque wrench set for the manufacturer's recommended torque value. Let the joint relax for about 15 seconds. Then retorque the flare nut to the same torque value as before. Now, connect the system tubing to each flare stub, strictly following RCS fitting preparation, installation, and verification procedures. Repeat the entire procedure on the remaining flare. RCS flare kits allow you to connect hard copper or half hard copper to flare connections.